Calico is an old mining town a few miles outside Barstow in California. And today is the day when we're going to find out if this is an interesting place or not. So follow me inside. We have to pay, and then we can explore and see what they left behind. Because there is no mining going on today, I think. It's just a museum town. They discovered silver up in this area in the 1880s. And people came to Calico to make a fortune. At least they were dreaming about that. But everything ended around 1900, 20 years later, and it became a ghost town that is now waking up again, because look at the parking lot. It's full of cars. It's really a popular place during the weekends, at least. And I am extremely curious about this place, so follow me. These mountains are full of colors, mostly reddish, brown, gray, greenish even, and beige. They are literally bussing people in from all over the place. And why not? People need to learn about our past. Before I go inside, I have to check out this side. It's just a dirt road and interesting piles of dirt. Remnants from the 20 years when mining was king in this town. I don't know why they put up these skeletons. It looks silly. But, well, they need to convince people it's really a ghost town, I'm guessing. So for 120 years, this has morphed into something completely different than it was. Oh, they even have a train. You could, I'm guessing, take a tour around the area if you pay more. If you want to see a genuine ghost town, I would recommend you to go to Randsburg instead. This is like far away from a real ghost town. People like to pose in front of this restaurant building. And the small building to the left is probably the fire station. The sign says Fire Hall. I'm sure they had one. But this one is interesting, with a little chimney on top. I wish I could tell you what they used it for. Maybe cooking. And a small axe to chop up the meat, the jerky. And maybe this was a storage place for firewood. interesting wagon. I can't tell you anything about it, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, I don't know. My favorite is the green one. This is a beautiful fire engine. They used horses to move this around. And the size of the back wheel, I'm guessing, is 4.5 feet in diameter. And when they started the pump, I'm guessing it came out from that big hole, the 4-inch or almost 5-inch pipe down below. Another skeleton. I mean, this town is full of skeletons. You probably have 50 of them spread around in town. And they did that because that's the only way we can believe this is a ghost town. We are that dumb, I'm guessing. Oh boy, yeah, I don't know what to say. I'm thinking they used the cover on this one because the sun can really kill you out in this area. Even today, by the way. They used bottles to build a house. Okay, that's interesting. But my favorite is the one you see at the top. It's a hybrid house. They use the natural rock on top as a roof. I like it. And it looks like they collected water in these, what do you call them? Big barrels, maybe. I don't even know. Containers. I think the elevation is roughly 2,500.
Folks, have a great rest of your day down here in Calico. And of course, thank you for riding the railroad with us today, y'all. Fastest railroad down here in the West End.
It looks fun.
Let's let you folks out too.
This is probably how they look like. I mean, you have a rifle, a shovel, and a donkey, They carried water and something that looks like a pickaxe, or at least very similar.
We're just back down, right up. Come on down, get yourselves right on the Calico. I know that's the railroad, folks.
We can go to the top. That would be nice. I just need to find the correct pathway. Well, I don't know. I have no idea. It doesn't look correct. But let's try this one. Okay. Oh. They dug out samples here and there, looking for more silver. The train is leaving. Whew. It's a nice little home though. It is. It must be way over 100 in the sun. I drink water all the time and it doesn't help. That's the price you pay when you like to have fun. Anyway, this is the highest point, and the view of course is excellent. There you have it. You will be able to see most of town. Do you know what this is?
I don't know. It has a bed and like
A bed, somebody's house maybe?
Maybe.
Yeah, could be.
Yeah.
All right.
Pretty cool.
Would you like to live there? No? Okay.
No, very afraid of the spiders here.
They have too many spiders. How about the snakes?
No, snakes I don't mind, but the spiders are
Okay, I agree.
That would do. That would do.
All right, sounds good. Maybe this was the old general store, because there is a price list on the wall, and it looks like whiskey was sold for $1 per bottle, cigars 5 cents, sugar 10 cents, and candy only 1 cent. It looks small, but on the other hand, Calico itself was a small town, so they didn't need much. And it wouldn't be a western town without this beautiful church. Unfortunately, the bridge is closed, but it doesn't matter because we can still enjoy this beauty from this side. With this final view of the main street, I say goodbye from the old mining town Calico. See you next time.